Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start now. Confirm infestation by inspecting seams, tufts, and furniture joints, because visual ID directs treatment. Once confirmed, make targeted removals, bag and seal clutter to stop spread, and launder textiles at 60 degrees C, then tumble dry high for 30+ minutes to kill eggs and adults. While you work, vacuum visible bugs from mattress and crevices. Empty the vacuum into a sealed bag immediately. These first actions both reduce population and let later treatments reach remaining harborages. Do them methodically. Once the initial cleaning is done, escalate to deep treatments so you can cut reproduction cycles. You should treat baseboards, cracks, and furniture joints with recommended residual products. Apply carefully and exactly as the label instructs, because correct placement and dose matter. Simultaneously, use steam on seams and crevices. High heat penetrates fabric and kills eggs. Make sure to enclose mattress and box spring in a certified cover to trap survivors and prevent reinfestation while you monitor progress. To finish, you must verify eradication. Inspect and monitor every 7-14 days because eggs hatch later. If you find live bugs, retreat targeted areas rather than blanket spraying. Focused follow-ups are more effective. For severe infestations, consider professional whole room heat treatment. It's costly but reliably kills all life stages. If problems persist, isolate suspect items and call a licensed pest professional. Document what you did and when, so they can tailor a response. Troubleshoot by narrowing to hotspots, not.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.